Good morning, children. I have solved all the numericals of exercise 1B and will be discussing a few with you all, which are a little complicated ones. And on the same lines, you can solve other numericals also. So, see question number 3. Can you see it? Yeah, it's clear now, I think. A microscope is provided with a main scale graduated with 20 divisions in 1 centimeter. So, you have to keep in mind main scale has 20 divisions in 1 centimeter. Okay, and a vernier scale with 50 divisions on it of length same as of 49 divisions of main scale. Find the least count of the microscope. Okay, so here's the solution. See, the question said that the value of 20 divisions of main scale is equal to 1 centimeter. For the formula of least count, we have least count is equal to value of one main scale division upon total divisions of vernier scale. Okay, can you see it here? So we need value of one main scale division. In the question, value of 20 divisions of main scale is given. So from here we will calculate, therefore value of one division of main scale is equal to 1 upon 20 centimeter, right? That comes out to be 0.05 centimeter. The number of divisions of vernier scale is given in the question. It is equal to 50. So we'll write the formula of least count and then put the values. We get 0.001 centimeter. This is how we calculate the least count. Okay. Then the next question which I want to discuss, fourth one. A boy uses a vernier calipers to measure the thickness of his pencil. He measures it to be 1.4 millimeter. If the zero error of vernier calipers is 0.02 centimeter, what is the correct thickness of the pencil? Okay, so what does he measure? He measures 1.4, but zero error is positive 0.02, right? So see the solution. Reading as measured by vernier calipers was 1.4 and zero error was 0.02 centimeter. We want both the values in the same unit. Okay, so we are converting millimeter into centimeter. You know that 1 millimeter is equal to 1 upon 10 centimeter. So applying it, we get 0.14 centimeter, and the actual length is calculated by observed reading minus zero error. So zero error has to be taken with sign. So 0.14 minus, here sign was plus, so plus 0.02 minus plus becomes minus. 0.14 minus 0.02 is equal to 0.12 centimeter. That becomes 1.2 millimeter. You can leave the answer here in centimeter only, or you can convert it into millimeter, no problem. But here the conversion was important. Okay, because we want both the things in the same unit.